Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can view your bio in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chat, where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right and then tap on settings. In settings we tap on privacy and security, and then scroll down and tap on bio. Here in the bio section, we can select who can see our bio. It's either everyone, my contacts, or nobody. We also can add some exceptions to this list. And after we are done, we just tap on the OK sign in the top right corner and save our decision. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.